Hey, Freddy Fred here for Rusty's Nuts Used Automotive. Ladies and gentlemen, man, we got the starter built. We got the right battery cable. It's very important you use the right stuff. And right now, a package came in the mail. I'm gonna open her up. Want to check it out? Stick around! Look at that. Look at that. That's thickness right there, baby. This is for 6 volt. You put a thin 12 volt uh, starter cable on a 6 volt starter. She don't work, man. So get the right stuff. All right. Let's see. Here. Here. And they're gonna fit up there and they're just like that, man. And fix it all, straighten it perfect. I'm gonna run it. Yep, that's it. Sweet. Hey, Rusty Nuts again. Okay, so I'm missing a bolt. I did these. Yeah, those are gonna go on here. Yeah, maybe tomorrow morning. Okay, let's go over here. So okay, there's my bolt. There it is. Yeah, so I cleaned her up on the inside, so she got some good connection. And then yeah, I'll make the install. Ground it up right there a little bit so we could get some metal. So yes, I sand it down a little bit more and put her together real quick. Put the battery back up in there. I might make a little board. I got a little board for that. Maybe. We'll just tie her down. Wow. Guess who made it through another video? That's right. You did. My favorite fan. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate everybody, man. But mostly, Rusty Nuts appreciate you. And one of my biggest fans right here is putting out the share. So you know what I need? I'm looking for the share. I just want to be part of your friendly community, man. So go ahead. You can do it. Ring the bell. Share it. Like it. Follow it. And I'll catch you on the next one.